In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your transaction cannot be completed Google Play BGMI. So the solution is to delete all your existing payment methods from the Play Store. So let's open our Play Store. And then from here, from the upper right corner, just tap on your profile picture icon and select Payment and Subscriptions. And then Payment Methods. And then scroll down and go to More Payment Settings. So you will see here all your payments methods like credit card, debit card, net banking, or online wallet, etc. Just click to remove all payment methods here. Okay, so next we need to clear Play Store app data. So just long press the app and then click on the app info. So in here, select storage and cache, and then click on clear storage and clear data. So once you're done, you can now try again and purchase from your game. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.